Hey beautiful people, I am back with another custom hair blend. This is for all my gray hair beautiful women. So this is a mix of 613, 51, 27, and 2. So the way that you blend hair, even though it seems intimidating, is that you're taking the hair into two halves. You're going to place one half on the other half, and then you will pull from the middle and then place that one half back over on top of the other half. You are doing this until it is completely blended and no color is standing out more than the other. No obvious spots of blonde, no obvious spots of black. And you may get some tangles, and that's when I like to stop and get my detangling brush and brush and brush and brush. It will get back smooth and silky, and then I will just start the maneuver to continue to blend and break it apart. I stop ever so often just to see how the blend is looking. Do I feel like I need to start again? And as you can see, I'm like, yeah, it's definitely not all the way done. Now, I got this color originally from a TikToker, and I'll be sure to put that color in, or that video in, the description. Now, it did not turn out exactly like hers, but the reason that I kept it this way is because it just turned out to be such a beautiful gray. I know that in the past people did not like to rock their grays, but there's so many women who gray early, and they are beginning to embrace that and to wear their natural hair. And how beautiful would it be for them to be able to have braids? And now that I'm at the stopping point, I make sure to go cut off the ends so that they're not too thin. And then I spray it with some sheen spray just to give the hair the finishing touch, and then it's ready for sale on my website. So if you're interested in this custom blend, make sure you visit braidplicity.com. There's some other blends there as well, so you can choose between your fancy and tell me if there's any other blends that you want to see. So hopefully you guys enjoy this blend, and if you have any questions, let me know. Make sure to check out the other blends in my playlist, and I will see you guys in the next one.